Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete Instagram account. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to launch your Instagram application. But of course, before that, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram so that you can avoid any errors and lags. So you can go to Google Play Store, type Instagram, and click Update. Once you're on your Instagram, click the three lines, tap the settings and privacy. Now click Account Center, the first one here. And then after that, you have to scroll down and look for personal details. Tap personal details and you can see their contact info, birthday, account ownership, and control. Click this one. So once you tap this account ownership and control, you can see there an option that says deactivation or deletion. So tap this one. Now, once you tap that, they will confirm the account that you want to deactivate or delete. Tap this one, and then you have two options: deactivate account. Deactivating your account is temporary, and it means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it. The second is delete account. Deleting account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently deleted. So tap the second one and then click continue if you're sure of deleting your account, okay? But if you're not, then you can select deactivate account. Okay, tap continue and then give them a reason why you want to delete your account. So you can just tap or select any of the options here. For me, I'd like to choose privacy concerns and then click continue. Okay, so click continue again. You can tap any of the options here, but you just have to skip to that and then click continue. And then after you click continue, then Instagram will ask your password to make sure that you're the one who's using your Instagram. Then here, confirm permanent account deletion, tap delete account if you are sure of deleting your account. As you can see here, if you continue with account deletion, your profile and account details will be deleted on August 4th, 2023, which is today. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if you find this video helpful, please like. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.